Hello, hello everyone. This is Lokesh from CVB section. Today's my topic is information transfer through flowchart. How the information will transfer through flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of the operations in an information system or program. Information system flowcharts show data how flows from source document through the computer to final distribution to users. Program flowcharts show the instructions in a single program or subroutine. Different symbols are used to draw each type of flowchart. Therefore, the symbols to be used in flowcharts. There are many symbols, so I took some of the symbols that are used in flowchart. Input or output symbol. It's like a parallelogram. And the next one is square symbol, process symbol. The next one is a core symbol. And the next one is the document symbol, manual input symbol, display symbol. The next one is decision symbol, terminal symbol, it's like an oval symbol. Next one is preparation symbol, like it's like an hexagon. Next one is a connector symbol, it's like a circle. And the sort symbol, which is in like shape of like a diamond. Extract symbol, which is in the shape of triangle. Merge symbol. Next one is collect symbol. These are some symbols in which the information is transferred through the flowchart. Therefore, there are so many types of flowcharts. Flowcharts can be modeled from the perspective of different user groups, such as managers, system analytics, and clerks. And that there are four general types: document flowcharts, showing control over a document, flow through a system, flow through a system. Next one is data flowcharts, showing controls over a data flows in a system. Next, system flowchart, showing control at a physical or resource level. And the program flowchart, showing the controls in a program within a system. Next, there are so many types of flowcharts. In that, one of the flowchart is constructing a flowchart. It's nothing but the 8 steps that ensure to complete the preparation and execution of the flowchart. From the starting of the flowchart to the ending of the flowchart, it consists of 8 steps to complete the preparation of the flowchart. Research the problem. We have to research the problem, decide on the method of solution, plan the solution. We have to plan what's the solution, outline the system by drawing the system, outline the system by drawing the system flowchart, check the system flowchart, draw a detailed program flowchart for each program, check the program flowchart, test the program flowchart, and system flowchart by using the data that has been prepared. While constructing a flowchart, or we have to observe the following in guideline. The flow of the flowchart should be from top to bottom and from left to right. It should be from top to bottom, not from the bottom to top. The flow of the flowchart should always be from top to bottom and from left to right or right to left. It should not be from left to right, it should be from right to left. Use meaningful descriptions in the symbol. We have to use a meaningful description in the number of floats in symbol. If the flowchart is complex, connect should be used to reduce the number of flow lines, avoid intersecting of flow lines. If the flowchart is a complex, if the flowchart is too long, we have to use the connectors to make them easy. Next, example of flowchart. There are many types of flowcharts. There are recommended flowchart and frequented. The program three programs start from there. We will indicate, we will use the connector. If the flowchart is a complex one, then we will use the connectors to make very easy to understand. So we'll use the arrow marks in flowchart from step by step, from right to left or from top to bottom. We'll use the arrow marks to represent the flowchart. Next, it's also we can use a rectangle shape, we can use a square shape, we can use a diamond shape, we can use a octagon shape, or we can use a parallelogram. We can use many types of shapes to represent a flowchart. The flowchart will represent a flowchart from top to bottom or right to left. We use to arrow The connector between the two systems is like an arrow. If it is too long or too prolonged or complex, we'll use the sum of the connectors. The connectors is nothing but an arrow mark. Next, it's one of the flowchart. We are having the program flowchart and system flowchart. For the program flowchart, we have a start, open file, read order, end of file. From there, the subchain there. S, if it is S, print totals, close file, stop. If it is no, find customer record, update customer record, format, print line, print line. If it is a system flowchart, the first one is console, next CPU, printer, disk. Next, this is the flowchart. This is the thing how we transfer the information through the flowchart. If the flowchart is too complex, then we will use a connector like arrows to represent to make the flowchart easy. So thank you for everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity.